everyone, welcome to In the Woods with the Capones. We are clearing our trail right now, as you can probably hear the sound in the background. We started off using tag team lawn mowing and we got pretty far, but once the debris and the weeds got thicker, we were having some trouble. So now we're going in with the STIHL 131 and it seems to be working a lot better. After, we'll go back over that with the mowers and it should work, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Okay, now he started lawn mowing, so let's see how it's working. Seems to be working. It's a lot of work for one person, so I'm going to have to go there and well, there you have it. The tag team did work.